Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. Today we are going to learn how to handle arrays in the bash script. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first we are going to create an array and assess the array elements. So this is my array. So first I need to declare the array like this. So here we go with that one. Let me comment the previous one. Okay, so let's go and just check it out here, my array. Okay, next step would be like assessing the array elements like this. So let's copy this and add this into our code. So the here you can see assess the first element with the dollar my array with index. You need to pass 1, 2 and 3. Let's save this and try to run this code. Here we go with this one. Okay, so the value 1, value 2 and the value 3, all the arrays we have printed out over here. Here you can see the value 1, value 2 and the value 3, and here you can see that we have defined the array first. Okay, next if you go with this one, this is the full-fledged code for assessing the individual elements length of an array, adding elements to the array, iterating over an array, slicing an array, removing an element, removing the entire array. So all of this we are going to just hit it out, just copy this one and learn step by step. Okay, so let's go and just check this one. Okay, so let's understand step by step. So this is my array, this is the original array with the my, if you want to print every array on that, so at the rate will help on this. Okay, next assessing the individual arrays with the help of this one, length of the array. So hash my array at the rate, whatever the at the rate we have, so it will calculate the length of the array. Okay, adding elements. So here we have that if you want to add something over here, so my array at the rate, so plus equal to, this is the way that you can add the elements to that one. Okay, so date array, date value is added into that array. Iterating over an array, you can go with this one. Okay, so iterating my array at the rate, item in, so item you are just printing it out. Next we have a slicing an array. Okay, sliced array at the rate my array at the rate one position. So this is basically the position part, so which one slice you want to add from an array, you can add. Removing an array, so here you, that you can, which index you want to remove that, so unset that my array first position, second, third, you can just mention the element index over here. Remove the entire array, unset my array. Okay, let's save this and let's try to print it out over here. Let's see. Okay, so the original array would be apple, banana, cherry. First element is apple, banana, cherry. Length of the array is 3. Array after adding a date. So apple, banana, cherry and the date. Iterating over an array, apple, banana, cherry, date. Sliced array, that is banana and the cherry. This is the position that we have, which we have sliced that from the array, that is apple and the date. Okay, and next after array after removing the element and the index one, apple, cherry and the date, and the last one there, that is removing the whole array, will remove that one, it's not printing it up. Okay, so this is the basic concept of the array. Okay, any detailed instruction you want from my side, you just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.